And another new law is defining what it means to be male or female in Tennessee. It requires the gender on your state ID to match the gender on your birth certificate. News Channel 5's Olivia Michael spoke with transgender advocates who say this law infringes upon their rights.
After transitioning 7 years ago, Ray Holloman was excited to update his driver's license.
So it was just really powerful to know that I had an identification document that I can show to anybody and not be worried about having to answer 75 other questions by showing my identification.
But a new law taking effect in Tennessee defines a person's sex as determined by anatomy and genetics existing at the time of birth, meaning transgender Tennesseans cannot change the gender marker on their state ID if it does not match their birth certificate.
What's going to happen for people that have already changed their documentation and they need to go renew it?
That's just one of the many questions opponents have surrounding the new law.
For someone who's trans, it can mean that they end up being wrongly detained. It can mean that in a criminal justice system that they are wrongly prosecuted.
Jace Wilder with the Tennessee Equality Project says the bill unfairly targets the trans and intersex community.
Having that sex marker be incorrect, it creates this idea of deviance and of lying or going or being someone who is inherently criminal.
He predicts the new law will face challenges in court.
This is a very clear First Amendment issue. This is a clear 14th Amendment issue.
But there are still things that are not so clear, like what will happen to Tennesseans who already changed the gender marker on their state IDs, and how will the law be enforced? Questions that only time will tell as it takes effect in Tennessee. Olivia Michael, News Channel 5.
A state fiscal review committee found the new law could also cost Tennessee millions of dollars in federal funding from the Department of Education and Department of Health because it contradicts federal rules. The